And here, step by step, I will show you how to add a contact form in WordPress website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to Add New Plugin page. In the search plugins box, type here WP Forms. And this is the actual plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this WP Forms plugin. Once the plugin activated, here you see this interface. Click on Create Your First Form. Now we will create a new contact form for our WordPress website. And here you will find a bunch of different form template, or you can search for a specific category template using the search template box. In my case, I'm going to selecting this simple contact form for my WordPress website. So I'm clicking on Use Template. And then you see this form customization dashboard. Here in this left-hand menu, select Fields. Under Add Fields, here you will find a bunch of different type of fields. You can add any of them in your WordPress form. So currently here you can see the name form field, add date, email field, add date, a comment, or message box field, add date. Now to edit a existing field, click on the field, and here you can change field name. You can add a short description here, and to require any field you have to enable require, but for name I'm going to disable required option. And that's how go ahead and edit your form. And to add a new form, go to fields again, and let's add this captcha field, for example. So I'm just clicking on this captcha field. Let's add phone field. So here we can see this is a pro feature. So if you're using this WP Forms free version, then only some specific fields you will be able to add to your form. So I'm adding these numbers field, for example, and here we can see the field add date. You can change your field position by clicking and dragging, just like so. And now once your editing finish for your fields, go to Settings tab, and here go to Notifications option, and here enable notification first of all. So make sure to turn on notification, and here under send to email address, you have to write here your email address, in which email address you want to receive all of your website's contact form mails. So I'm adding my email address here, and email subject line, you can change email subject line, and from name you can change from name, from email, and here then go to confirmation settings, and here you can change confirmation type, message, show page, or go to URL. I'm selecting message, and here you can change your confirmation message. And now just clicking on save and close these settings for form. And now all you have to need edit the post or page where you want to embed your contact form. Now let's add a new block here, and in the search block box type here WP Forms, select WP Forms, click on the select form and select the contact form that we just added. And here we can see the form successfully added. Now just clicking on save, and let's view our web page. I'm scrolling down, and here as you can see the form successfully added. Now let's see the form works or not. So here I'm adding my name, adding a random email address, for example, and writing some random messages. And now let's submit this form, contact form. And here we can see the confirmation message showing. And now I'm opening my Gmail, and in inbox, if you don't see the message, then go to your spam folder, and in your spam folder here you will find the message. So here you can see that I received the message from our website, name, email, and the message. So this is how we can add contact form in WordPress website. Thanks for watching.